Hi everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. This is Dr. Akshita here, and today we will study about how to calculate your angel number and Hua number. Hua number is basically a Chinese numerology. Okay. Okay. So how you will get the angel numbers? So first of all, you have to add up all the numbers or all the digits of your date of birth, that is a birth date, month, and year, and reduce them to a single digit number, that is your destiny number, or we call the angel numbers. Okay, in such a case, if you whenever you are adding the all the numbers, if you see, if you get the 11, 22, or 33, that consider is a master number in the numerology. You don't need to convert into a single digit, so you can leave it as it is. Okay, so yesterday we have studied that what are the angel numbers. 3 times 1, triple 1, triple 2, triple 3. Okay, so angel numbers may you see the name. I have taken of example of my name and date of birth. Okay, so you see the destiny number is a 3. So my angel number would be the 3. You can find yours. Now you can use this number as your house number, your flat number, your vehicle number, your phone number. That means total of numbers would be 3. Okay, in my case, 3. So in numerology, we have studied 3 types of numerology. So first is a Pythagorean, that is known as a Agrippa method numerology. Okay, and second is a angel numbers. And second is a angel numbers numerology. Okay, so the numerology is basically based on the Western philosophy or Indian Vedic philosophy. So the most probably the Chaldean numerology is based on the Indian Vedic astro numerology. So you can consider this destiny number or any number. Next is a Chinese numerology, which we call the Feng Shui Hua number numerology. Okay, so we have a total 4 methods of the numerology, 4 mind-born sons of Lord Brahma. Okay, so Feng Shui Hua number numerology, how we can calculate? So method of the Hua number, that if you are a male candidate, male individual, that means you have to do like you firstly you have to get your destiny number, right? Then you have to subtract from 11, and in a female case you have to add 4 in the destiny number. So I'm giving you my example, that is a Akshata name, and destiny number is a 3, and sorry, not 5. So not 5 plus 4. Okay, so total will be 7. Means my Hua number is 7. That is a number of K2. Okay. So how divine energy will guide you if you have a Hua number 7? So know your lucky directions, elements, and colors with this table. Okay. So, okay, if you, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so I got a 7. Okay. So my group is a western group or west direction. West direction will be good for me. Element is metal. Metal like a gold, silver, platinum, like that. And wealth, for wealth, like west direction is also good. For health purpose, like if I'm having any kind of an illness, then northeast direction would be good for me to get rid over the illness, any illness. If I talk about the relationship, love relationship, marriage and all, so southwest direction would be good. Next, for a growth and development, not so six killings is also inauspicious. So it can cause physical harm through, accidents or like the robbery can be happened at your home or office in office. And also it will create the negative mindsets and a low energy. Low energy. Low energy. Okay. And it can damage you everything. It can damage your everything, like your marriage, your career, your relations, you know, all these things. The total loss. So that is a six killing direction is the north, and the total loss is south. So south is known as a the direction of the Yamraj. Like Yamraj lives in this direction, so that's why this direction is very inauspicious, very bad. Okay, next. So this is the Agrippa method, which is also known as a Pythagorean method. Similarly, you can see the chart now. Okay, so the first way of assigning values is by the Agrippa method. This method uses number as a 1 to 9 like Pythagorean. Okay, so same digits and same values of every alphabet. So 1 is given AJS. So you can see here Pythagorean numerology chart and the Agrippa method chart. Both are similar. Okay, so this is a Western numerology and this is a Chaldean. The Chaldean numerology, which is known as a Indian Vedic, and this is a angel numbers numerology method. Okay, so today let me give an instance of the uh, Pythagorean numerology. The first number we are going to take a heart number or which we call the soul number. So the first number is the heart number. The heart number is calculated by using only the vowels from a name. So let's calculate today's Harry Potter's heart number. Okay. So only vowels. Vowels. So AYOE. Okay. And 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 19. And when we convert into the single digit, we'll get the one digit. Means life partner or business partner, alphabet letters A, J, or S. Now let's do the social number. For the social number, you have to calculate the consonants. Okay, from a name. So Harry Potter's consonant, Hari, Pita. Okay, so total will be 53 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you have to check the chart 8 H Q Z. Okay, so your life partner or business partner will be H Q Z. H for Hanuman, Q for Queen, Jade, Jade for Jabra. Okay, so the last number, okay, character number or the name number, that means that is calculated by using the all the alphabets like the complete name Harry Potter and complete numbers. Total will be 65, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, and life partner or business partner C2BKT. Okay, so in movies, you will see the Harry Potter's partner name Bonnie, right? Now she is so, so in real life, like Bonnie Wright's partner is someone else. Harry Potter is not like her partner name. I think Andrew is a partner of Bonnie. Next, Harry Potter real name is Daniel Jacob Radcliffe and born on 23rd July 1989. Age is 35. He was born in London, UK, and he got the fame at the age of 12 and began to portray himself as a Harry Potter in the Harry Potter film series. So he has experience of 10 years and the life partner is a E alphabet. And check by yourself. Okay. Thank you so much for listening me and watching this video. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions or any if you have if you want any consultation, you can send your message on this email ID. Dr. Akshita Sharma 108 @gmail.com. Okay, so this is a last course of the numerology. So we have learned short course of the numerology in a 3 days. Okay. So what we have learned? We have learned master number, driver number means you have to take a single digit of a birth date to get the master number. In a destiny number that is known as a life path number, use single digit of the complete date of birth. And for a name number or for a personality number, you have to use all the alphabets. And for a soul number or heart number, you have to use only vowels. And social number, you have to use the consonants. For reference, you can see the Pythagorean and the Chaldeans, uh, which is we call the Indian Vedic method charts. And for angel numbers, you angel number is your destiny number, and you have to take a single to triple digits to get the divine guidelines, and for that you can see angel chart. For Kua number, for male candidate, what you have to do, you have to subtract from 11, and for female you have to add 4 number in a destiny number. So you will get all the divine or righteous directions in your life. Please don't hesitate to consult, and this is my email ID if you have any questions and if you want to take a consultation. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, this short 3 day course of on numerology, please don't forget to say thank you in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna. Love you, friends.